Everyone, we're going to make gobi gosht. Now this is a family favorite. Do try it. I'm sure you like it. My family loves this recipe and I do make it again and again. I've added about 2 tablespoons of oil in a pressure cooker. Now chop my onions and blend this ginger, which will amount to about 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, and this is going to be about one large onion and a half. To this onion and ginger mixture, I'm adding a heaped tablespoon of garlic paste. This is homemade garlic paste. A pound of mutton in it, and I added a salt to taste, and I put about a teaspoon of salt. I used paprika, 1 teaspoon of paprika. You can use red chilies if you like the heat, and I used half a teaspoon of turmeric. 3 cups of water to help cook the mutton, and then I will pressure cook it on medium for about 25 minutes. So after giving everything a mix, it will be pressure cooked on medium heat for about 25 minutes. I'll take 1.5 tomato and 2 green chilies, and I'm going to make a tomato paste. I ended up opening my pressure cooker after about 15 minutes, and I know that the meat is still hard. So at this point I'm going to add my tomato paste. This time I'm going to add my tomato blend that I blended earlier on. Cook this salad for another 15 minutes. At a time of 30 minutes of cooking, the meat is still on the harder side. And I have lots of gravy. This is the time when I'm going to add my gobi, and I've taken a whole gobi, 1 full gobi, that I'm going to add in here. Gobi is also called cabbage. Gobi is also called cauliflower. Here's the whole cauliflower. And now we mix everything and pressure cook it for further 12 minutes. Opening it in about 12 minutes, I feel that my mutton is still on the hardest side, so I'm going to cook it for another 10 minutes and then check on it under pressure. The point to note is you cook till the meat is soft. So I will pressure cook it for another 10 minutes and then check. Now that the meat has finally softened, I'm going to add some cilantro, a generous handful of cilantro. So I've added about a generous tablespoon of ginger, and you know I love ginger in my dishes, and this could be grated or finely chopped, and your dish is heated through for a minute or 2 and your dish is ready to serve. Do try this dish. I promise you, you won't regret it. It is a family favorite in my home. It will become a family favorite in yours. See you later. Bye. Like, share and subscribe. See you for now.